Hello first grade, so today is Thursday and we are going to do this lesson called Check My Progress. We are almost finished with chapter 2. Okay, so beginning with this, we're going to start with vocabulary check and we're going to circle the correct answer. So number 1 says the words more and fewer can be used to, and we need to decide, is it difference the word or compare? And the rest of the sentence says the number of objects in 2 different groups. So the word that we're looking for is compare. So I would like you to write that on the line. We are going to compare the numbers of objects in 2 different groups. All right, so the whole sentence says the words more and fewer can be used to compare the number of objects in 2 different groups. All right, so now we are on to the next one, which is called concept checked. Write a subtraction number sentence. So in this case, they've got pictures here of rhinoceroses. So we're going to talk about the whole total, and then we're going to write that down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead and write a 5 on your first line. And then we're going to take away, and they've taken away 1, 2, 3. And I always love pictures because you can really visualize how many you have left here, which is 2. 5 take away 3 equals 2. All right, now on to number 3. Remember our total first, so we have 4 giraffes, and we are going to take away 3 giraffes. How many giraffes are left? And I love this visual. It's easy to see. There is 1 left. Now, at the bottom of the page, we have 3 subtraction problems. And I'm going to model this with my snowflakes. So I love to use manipulatives in the classroom, and these are some snowflakes. It used to be a big long chain of snowflakes, and I took them apart because it is fun to model with real objects. All right, so here we go. All right, we're going to do modeling of 6, take away 4. So I have 6, and then we're going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? And it's easy to see that there are 2. All right, now for the next one, let's model with 4 snowflakes. Then we're going to take away all 4 snowflakes, and you see there are 0 left. All right, next we have 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 1. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Sorry, I counted that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I love the sunshine. It's coming into my room today. It is a beautiful, beautiful, cold winter day. All right, so now let's turn over our page, and we have some more problems that we can still use our snowflakes with. So here at the top, we are going to do 5, take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1 left. All right, number 8 is 6, so I'm going to add 1 more snowflake. 6, and it says take away 0. Well, if I don't take anything away, I still have 6. All right, number 9, 6 take away 2. All right, so we have 6 again. Take 2 away. How many are left? Okay, put your answer down. 4. All right, now we're going to add 1 more because it says 7. So we've got 1 more snowflake. 7 snowflakes take away 7 snowflakes. So here they all go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're taking them away. How many do we have left? 0. All right, let's go to the next one, which is we're going to put our 7 back here. And this time it says to take away the number 4. So when we take away the number 4 from 7, I'm going to go ahead and count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sparkly snowflakes are left? 3. Okay, I love this snowflake math. All right, now it says 4, take 2 away, and we have 2 left. All right, our problem here next is number 13. It says there are 6 beetles. There are 4 butterflies. How many fewer butterflies are there than beetles? All right, so 6 beetles. We're going to write here that there are 6. And there are 4 butterflies. How many fewer butterflies are there than beetles? So we need to find out by subtracting 4. So I'm going to use my snowflakes again and pretend that those are my beetles. And if I take 4 away, there are 2 fewer butterflies. Oops. 2 fewer butterflies. All right, we are on the test practice now. And it reads, Rachel sees 7 caterpillars on a leaf. 5 of them crawl away. How many caterpillars are on the leaf now? So we're going to start with 7, and I'm actually going to model this on my number line. I have my very cool number line here. It's my cool cat number line. I have a cool cat here sticker and a cool cat here sticker, and we're going to show how we can use that number line to also subtract. I love number lines. Okay, so we have 7 caterpillars and 5 of them crawl away. So we're going to hop 5 below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says, how many caterpillars are on the leaf now? So our answer is those 5 hops, and that is the number 2. So right here, you're going to bubble in that number, 2 caterpillars. All right, we are all done with Check My Progress. I'm glad that you joined me today, boys and girls.